Hi friends, I'm here going to introduce a life-changing opportunity. Yes, you heard right, life-changing opportunity which can be used for a lifetime, and it is introduced by Millionaire Worldwide Dreams Creator team. So before I'm talking about the opportunity, we'll talk about the problems around us and how we can solve all these problems. The first comes is health. Health is a major issues all across the world. The every house we find health issues, maybe a small health issues like acidity, or there are lifetime the health issues like a diabetic, thyroid, cancers, and many other bps and etc etc. So now the pandemic season, now everywhere we talk about, the people talk about the pandemic problem. And of course the cost of living is the biggest issue for us, and the quality products, so we know the many of the branded products, so we believe it is a branded, but we find many quality products, so we find very difficult to get a quality products to consume. Unemployment is the biggest issues, and the busy life, the everywhere the people talk about the I'm busy, right? Indoor air pollution inside our house, inside office we have air pollutions, water pollutions, then also vehicle pollutions, each and one the vehicle as a pollution. So that is why the we our nation is become the vehicle pollution, especially in the metro cities. Agriculture problems, it's the biggest issues, whether they are the agriculturist or the cultivation of what is happening. So these are the problems what we find across within ourselves. Apart from that, yes, we are common needs. What are the common needs? The food and medicine is a basic necessity now. Electricity bill, water bills, petrol cost, education fees, and many more, which is essential, which is a very need and every day-to-day requirement, right? And apart from this, we also have a lot of dreams. Yes, we need a lot of money. We are a dreamer about the bike, luxury cars, travel, and holiday home, and of course is a time freedom. To get all this, either we are an employee, we work somewhere as an employee, I mean job, we spend our time to earn money, or we are a self-employee where we set up our own business by putting a investment, we put investment, we do a infrastructure, we hire employees. There are a lot of things to gain a business. That is called a self-employment, where we are actively involved. This is called a active income, where as long we are alive we are going to get the income. So there are 95% of the population, they earn just a 5% of the wealth. That is why we call the limited income. And the interesting part is they have more skills, more time, and more effort they give, and more working hours, but a very limited income they earn. I don't know how many of you are the same category, but I'm going to introduce one more thing, that is called the passive income earner. There are business owners. There are so many business owners who build a business, who have a own system. They hire an employee and to earn money. The interesting part is there are two types of people. One is a business owner or an investor. Those who have the big investment of the millions and billions, they invest it somewhere and they earn money, money to money. And the business owner, they from employee to earn money. The interesting part again, they work very less, the very less effort, unlimited wealth they create, and the 95% of the wealth is within this 5% of the population. So if you are a dreamer, if you want to get fulfilled, if you are an employee or a self-employee, could you able to complete all this? I don't think so. So we need to be a business owner, the where own a system and the business runs throughout a life. So what is your purpose? If you are a student or a housewife or a professionals or employee or a self-employed, what would be the your purpose? Looking for a pocket money, name and fame, future security, more earnings, or a time freedom, or holidays and travel? So if you could not able to do by working 8 to 10 hours or by setting up all your business, I have a solution here. Here the work in addition 2 to 3 hours weekly, 10 to 12 hours, you within a 3 to 3 years of time, where you can earn 5,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees monthly income. That's too with a less effort, risk free, free time, and no capital, earn passive income, and there is an opportunity to have a early retirement. Yes, to do this, just change your shop, change your brand, and change your life. So we'll understand this now. As we all earner, either we are a poor, middle class, or a rich. We all are earner. We earn and we spend. The poor class, they earn less income, and maybe around 1,000 rupees. If they earn 1,200, they spend. It means every month they earn a minus. Middle class, they earn 1,200, but they spend so much of the same amount, and earning is, the savings are very zero. The rich class people, they earn more and also they spend more, but still they save more money. So that's why the rich class people, they could able to fulfill all the dreams. Now this, the way the spending comes, now these are the spending, every one of us, we spend money. These spending can be earning from now. Just before that, we'll understand till today what were we doing. Yes, we all are consumer. As a consumer, we buy a product on a day-to-day requirement, from the top to bottom, or good morning to good night, isn't it? So when we consume the product, we are a consumer. We mentioned as a, every shop it is a mentioned consumer is a king. But the real fact, when we go to shop to buy a product, the question is, how we getting a quality products, or we get a discounts, offer, any loyalty benefits, royalty benefits, certifications are hanged on the shops, referral income, when we refer to anybody, do we get any income on that, or is there any cashback benefits? If your question, if my on my question, if your answer is no, then what? So how it works, let us understand. This is called a traditional market, how we use till date. The manufacturer, they manufacture a product and they reach to the consumer or the end user. It goes to the various channel, like CNF agent, then from CNF agent to a stockist, stockist to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer. So everyone, they earning a small to big amount, but the real fact is, when the manufacturer manufacture product with a 25%, and 15 rupees or a 15% could be in addition cost of packing or the employee cost and the profit, the 40%. Now 20% goes to the middleman, the 40% extra money goes to where? Advertisement, TV or print media, along with the celebrities like the film star or the sports person. See, every morning to night, we when we watch a TV or any the social media, we find that the many brands, it is endorsed by celebrity. The We should ask ourselves why these people are endorsing the product. Of course, this company must be endorsing these people. They wanted these people to advertise a product, but why these major famous celebrities they come on the media or the on a TV channel or anywhere, they come to advertise the product because they wanted a source of income for a next generation. That's the reason they come to do the advertisement. Now these are the 40% of where it goes. Now I'm going to introduce another opportunity, how all these problems can be solved. Before that, when they can see the famous celebrities or the player or the celebrity or like the Amitabh Bachchan, when they can do advertisement of the various brand, oh, why can't we do it? So here is a solution, my dear friends. We have a solution to all the problems what we have seen. This is one of the industry which I am going to introduce now. It is a network marketing. Network marketing is one of the biggest opportunity in this world. To become a independent business owner, and you could be one of the brand ambassador for the product. On the consumption, you can save money, and also you can generate a source of passive income. This is only one business, one opportunity where we can create a time freedom and money freedom by spreading the equal opportunity. Whatever the opportunity you are getting from here, the same opportunity when you are giving to other, and build a network where you can create a passive income for a lifetime. So how this is works, the manufacturer to independent business owner, it could be me or you, and the product reach to the consumer or we consume. Then from there, all the middleman is there is no middleman in between. Network marketing is running from last 80 years around the world with $200 billion sales. It is the second highest the turnover all across the globe. But if I'm talking about this opportunity, who take this opportunity? Everyone. There are top the people like ex CEOs, lawyers, stockbrokers or doctors, uh, professionals, housewife, and many people. And there are many universities and colleges. It taught about the network marketing near about 85 countries, my dear friends. So there are so many people talk about this opportunity, and this is a one opportunity can make our country superpower as well, because it keeps a creates a wealth. And if I'm talking about India, where it is a huge potential, we have a lot of the population, the second highest in a population, and we do a very nominal turnover in network marketing. Whereas in other country like USA, China, Japan, Korea, Brazil, or Malaysia, very small population, they have a huge turnover. That is why the people in Malaysia, 80% of the population, they are into a network marketing from the college level. That is why we call India is a sleeping giant. So there is a big opportunities lying here. So as for the government of India, it's a 64,500 crore turnover will be done by 2025. I mean, another 5 years of time, around 64,500 crore turnover can be done from this industry. So it is one of the biggest opportunity for all of us. So before getting into any network marketing, we should know the five pillar of the company. That is, the first is a company profile, company visionary management, how the what is the vision and mission about the company products, quality, price, and offers, marketing plan, how to make you wealthy, education system to make ourselves and our team success, then the supportive tools to upgrade our knowledge and enhance. So if I'm talking about a company, I'm introducing you one of the biggest company, number one company in India, that is called an Vestige Marketing Private Limited. My dear friend, this company is started in 2004. 2004, this company has been started, and having a turnover of 2,600 crore annual turnover. And this company is started by Mr. Gautam Bali, visionary management. Now by 2025, this company is going to have a near about 1 lakh car owners, a revenue of 20,000 crore, more than 10 crore distributors going to happen by 2025. Presently 2.5 crore distributors, and presently this company is in 8 country, and it will be there in another 50 country, total 50 countries by another 2025. And more than 10,000 luxury car owners. Presently, we have a 250 plus luxury car owners by taking this opportunity, and we would be top 10 of rank company in the world, and presently it is a 30th ranking company. Our mission is to help people live a life of economic independence on their own terms, transforming dreams into reality. As I said, it's a company started in 2004, June 2nd. Our visionary management, Mr. Gautam Bali, Mr. Deepak Sood, and Kanwar Singh. These are the three people who started this company in 17 years back, and it is one of the successful company at the rate of 79% is a growth. And if I'm talking about the manufacturing, we have our own manufacturing, only about 1,50,000 square feet. We have a 50 plus branch offices all across India, 350 products in all other portfolio, and 3,000 plus products on e-commerce. So we are the first company. We have launched the Vestige Best Deal e-commerce and retailing and networking both together. We have a 4,500 online and offline centers all across India. We have an international presence in Bahrain, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Bangladesh, Ghana, Philippines, Dubai, and Thailand. So this is about our turnover, 2,600 crore, and about turnover presently with a 79% CAGR. That is a growth rate. And the certifications award, we have about 23 certifications awards. And if I'm talking about the products, the company again 2017 it has become the best company of the year, and our products are the 100% natural source of our own product. We have a wide range of product, health and nutrition, which is very much essential for immunity or heart care, detoxification, weight loss, or a fitness, and the women's health, and also a personal care, various range of product. We have a women hygiene, and agriculture sector we have a home health food, then oral care we have a product, ayurveda we have a product, premium skincare, then the cosmetic color cosmetics, natural source of color cosmetics, and hygienic home care product. Also we have the True Man brand men grooming product, along with the air purifier got bought by Sharp, and the water purifier. This is for a water solution. Vehicle pollution, we have come out with a mass drive nano eraser product. This is for a two-wheeler, truck, and all other category products, vehicles. And now along with that, we also have the wide range of natural range of skincare product. So daily essentials, mask, sanitizer, and also for dust particles we have a solution. This is award-winning product again, Naso filter. And this is here it is the Best Deal. Best Deal is one of the e-commerce platform where we get all essential which we buy, from Tata Salt to Bata shoes, electronics, mobile accessories, home appliances, kitchen care, and many products. Also we have many other things. So here I'm talking about we have a three types of these benefits are helpful for a three category of people: consumer, retailing, or networking. If you are a consumer, if you want to consume the product and save money, yes, you are welcome. Retailing, where you can do the retailing as well as you can also build a network. So to get this benefit, how do we start? It is a free joining. There is no fee, joining fees, accumulative marketing plan, only promotions, no demotion, never reaches zero, no requalification. It is a one-time achievement. Director bonus compressed downward, leadership bonus, and engineer to make you wealthy. And this special feature is a global ID. Once you make an ID from India or any across any other countries, and the ID will stand globally, where you can purchase as well as you can build a network, along with where this ID is one-time registration. There is no renewal. And we have a various marketing plan. If you are a consumer, as a consumer, where we can save the four way you can save money. The first benefit what we get, when you get into a market, you do not get a discounts or a cashback or a no free product or a loyal benefit. Here with the Vestige, the first 10 to 20% discounts every time you buy a product, that is for a lifetime. The second, performance bonus at a 5% to 11%, where you can earn, where you can save your money. Suppose if you are purchasing near about 3,500 product and an average monthly, where you can save around minimum to minimum 100 rupees. Free product approximately 10% extra, and also as a loyal customer 20%, that is a 4 month you just buy a product worth of 3,500 also. So fourth month completion you get an additional 20%, that means near about 3,000 rupees worth of product you get absolutely free of your choice. So along if you compare with the MRP, the product cost will be around 50%. So apart from that, the best deal is a one of the platform, the e-commerce through online and offline, where you can purchase. There also you can save similar kind of benefits. And the consistency here also, grocery, ever you heard that grocery will get you any discounts, any offers, or you buy a just a 3 month or a 6 month, you get a fourth month or a seventh month of the free products? Here it is, my dear friends. The consistency benefit, where you get a 2,000 to 3,499 rupees purchase for a 3 month. The fourth month you're going to get 1,000 rupees worth of product absolutely free. And if you buy 3,500 to and above, you 6 month you get 7th month 3,500 rupees worth of product absolutely free, my dear friends. So it is a big savings on your consumption. And also, not only a product, we also coming up with the services like a flight ticket booking, holiday, or mobile recharge, or you do have the saloon, spa, or a TDS return, or a vehicle servicing, or fund transfer, and many more is coming. It is the service also we are launching very soon. Legal services, and also EMI benefits, and the organic vegetables, fund transfer. These although also these service also coming very soon, my dear friends. So it is a very big opportunity lying for you and your loved one. Here it is the benefits on the network. You get a 9 types of benefits. The first one is a retail profit. Retail profit 10 to 20%, as I said before. Performance bonus 5 to 11%. Director bonus, year after you get on a turnover company, you get the shares or the benefits. The 4% director bonus. Business building bonus 14%. Leadership override bonus or a LOB 16%. Travel fund 5%. Car fund 5% on a company turnover up to 80,000 rupees per month, where you can buy your luxury dream car. The house fund 3% up to 1 lakh rupees per month. That is also from the company turnover. Elite Club bonus membership 2%, that is up to 20 lakh rupees per month. So here we see some of the achievers. So you must be thinking, is this going to be help you out, or anybody achieved? Yes, here my friends, I just going to show you some of the picture. The housewife, so 3 kids of housewife, and today one of the achiever income of Vestige. The youth around 24 to 25 years of age, near about 12 lakh rupees monthly income earner. The student 2.5 lakh rupees and above income earner. If I talk about the doctors, yes, there are one crorepati, another one who are BMW car achiever. If I'm talking about a tailor, uneducated, but more than 5 lakh rupees monthly income earner. Teachers, they earn from 6 digit to 7 digit income. Farmer, yes, there is a farmer who achieved become a crorepati or a millionaire. Handicap, being at home, developing a business, and from 1 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees of monthly income earning. And 10th fail is also earning about more than 3 lakh rupees monthly income. And here is a hard founder, millionaire worldwide founder, Mr. Nilesh Patrawala and Dipal Patrawala, one of the top achiever in Vestige, and they are the brand ambassador. So highest income earner, Mr. Siddharth Singh, 1 crore and above monthly income earner, is Asia's highest income earner in network marketing. So if I'm talking about the foreign trips, and we have company Vestige companies so far taken in about 28 countries. It is one of the cruise trip also, you can see we enjoyed a lot on this. Near about 1,800 people traveled across along with the in this journey free of cost. So we have a lot of travel from Scotland, London, Hong Kong, Tuscan, Macau, Dubai, Switzerland, Malaysia, Amsterdam, and many more countries. And every year you get a opportunity to travel 2 countries. So education system, if I'm talking, we have various programs, event, training, success seminars to make you wealthy, and personal development and self grooming. So how to join? So anyone can join with this, whether you are a student or a housewife, anyone can join, anyone can start your journey. Here is you can start with a 30 PV, 60 PV or 100 PV or a fast start 8%, or you can just directly go for the fast bronze director. The PV is point value, business volume is BV is a business volume. Let us understand this. The MRP, the product maximum retail price is MRP DP. Suppose if you once you join, all the product will be discounted rate that you will get it on a DP price. On every product what you buy on Vestige, that you get a PV. So on the 1 PV is equal to 18 BV, business volume. So from that the income source starts. So we'll understand this. 30 PV is a starting. So a minimum 30 PV to activate the ID. If you purchase, you start up with a 60 PV, that is a 4 month you purchase 60 PV worth product and you get a 1250 rupees worth of product on a 4th month, where you can save up to 40% of your money. If you start with 100 PV, your ID will be activated for a lifetime, and 4 month you continue with 100 PV, you get a 3000 rupees worth of product free. That means you're saving 50% on MRP. Fast start 8%, just 282 PV. It is a fastest way to reach 8% level, where approximately 9000 rupees self purchase or a team purchase, where you get additional 750 rupees worth of voucher, the free product voucher. And also if you have a team, around a 40 to 50 people team, where you qualify 11% bronze director qualification, that will give you bronze director bonus. So how to start? So we have our own application, mobile application. You register with our with your KYC, Aadhaar card, voter ID or a driving license, or along with your bank details, a PAN card and your passbook or the cancel check, anyone. And whoever given you the opportunity, you just talk to them and for a further details, or invite they will invite you for a further meeting if it necessary. So we have a various educational tools. So you can buy a car book, leading ladies, and a fast start kit, and a product catalog, and various other product catalogs, various other tools, along with the programs. So we are come across many programs online and offline, so you can get into it. And these are our application, mobile application, the Vestige, a Vestige POS app and a Best Deal of app, which you get it in a Play Store or iOS app. This is our app, Millionaire Worldwide app. You can download this app also. This is a one-time registration fee of 699 rupees for a lifetime. So Millionaire Worldwide is one of the organization where to make you healthy and wealthy from we uplift from ordinary life. Our mission is to make more millionaire and spread happiness through our education system. Our purpose is to save our community, our team, our family by inspiring and working together with the people to reach their true potential. We will lead all and lead higher quality of life. So Millionaire Worldwide has helped many people to become a millionaire, and this is the development from the last 8 years. Deepal Patrawala and Nilesh Patrawala working together, having a very good experience in network marketing, not only in India and many other countries now, developing a network. And we have a presence Thailand, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Nepal, Saudi Arabia, Oman and Ghana, and many upcoming countries. Hope you like this presentation. So this is the time to take your decision. So your decision lies on your hand. One decision can change your life. So contact the person who invited you, what given you shared the video with you. So I hope you are looking for the best of the best life in you. Thank you so much.